What's up, guys? Toxic Gaming here, and today we are playing Clash Royale. In the Clash of Clans video, I told you I would get it, but I had to restart the whole thing. Like I said, I had and all sorts of stuff like Pika, Skull Arm, Skeleton Army. But I have Skeleton Army back, but I have the Prince as well. See, level 1 Prince right there in Skeleton Army. I'm just starting again. So today I'm just gonna quickly be doing some opening, like with the crown chest and everything. So I'm gonna open this. Okay, some gold. Okay. Leveling up everything. Okay. Now I'm just gonna quickly go to here, upgrade my musket, because I need her, and upgrade my spear goblins. Just wait, guys, I'm just opening something. Just wait. Okay, so I got that. Okay, so I don't have enough for that yet. But I can upgrade the goblins. Okay, we'll get some more money by opening the crown chest. Let's get into the crown chest. Okay, 100 bucks. 2 gems. Thanks. Oh, Pika! I got it. Oh, yeah, I can level up nearly everything. Oh my god. First, always level up your giant, because you're gonna need it. Then, press use. I'll swap this with the bomber. Yeah, okay. Then I'll upgrade the spear goblins, because they're like my air attacks, and the musket. Okay, upgrade my knight to level 3, level 3, level 1, level 1, level 1. Actually, I think this might be better than my... Oh no, but because I got the balloon thing last time, just before it glitched out. See, I bought the prince with 1,000. I just pressed on it and used some gems. So we're going to open this one. Okay, got some more gold. Some more spear goblins. Okay, let's go upgrade. Oh, I forgot to upgrade this. Wait, I forgot to upgrade. No, I got like... What am I talking about? Oh, again. Oh, leveled up already. Awesome. No, I don't want to use you. Just if you don't know, my favorite card is actually it might be the Prince now. Because, like, I got some, like, really good... Just wait. Oh, jeez, it's stuffing out again. Anyway. Just wait. I'll go get it, I think. Oh, no. Okay, I've been waiting to eat this. I'll just chuck down Prince, that. And I'll wait for Skeleton Army, which will take out them. I don't have the baby dragon yet. I had some very good air attackers. So I'll chuck down my musketeer to take out the baby dragon. Hopefully in time. Then we'll put down the Pika. Just like push. Okay, that's finally gone. Which one's better? I'll go with Prince, since it's done a lot of damage. Then, they put down that to distract them. No. If I had... Put down Giant then. And some spears for backup. Try and take them out. And I'll just chuck down a skeleton army to take out the knight. Oh, they have a bomber. Bad idea, bad idea. Get him in time. Not by. Oh, so close. I reckon I could just like get that one to kill that while it's distracted. And just let the guy run in. Oh, you're so bad. Stupid. The thing about the prince is that it can kill the Pika if they put down the Pika instead of the, because I put down this instead of the giant, because it gets rid of the people that are in the way. Oh, they're stuffed. There goes down my giant and my Pika. Then my skeleton army, yeah, they're definitely dead. Oh, that's close. Quick. Let's quickly spear the dragon. Spear it. Macklemore. Can we go for shopping? Wait. Bada. Oh no. I'm dead. I stuffed up. No. I thought my prince was still alive. That's why I quickly put down the giant and all that. Damn. Well, okay, I got 88 trophies. Guys, if you don't believe me that I had all the stuff, you can go to this. That's me. I'm beating them already. And look, there's another with 600. See the balloon? Favorite. Told you guys. I just don't know how to get my thing back because I reset my phone. Okay. Put down that. I'm so getting this. Chuck down them. Then I'll have Prince. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna chuck down all them. Now my whole row has freaking heavy attackers. They're so dead. Oh, and then next it's freaking Einstein. No, it's Einstein gone wrong. Now it's the skeleton army. Very good setup for the big attacks. I'll chuck down skeleton army. Next I'll put down Pika. Oh, they just put down a prince. I got that on camera at least. That they had a prince. Go away, Clash Royale. Wait, how many people are on? Oh, 2. Alright, hello. Wait, who's on? Oh, Knuckles. I missed him before. Let's see. I could beat this guy. I actually beat him like 3 times. But he beat me in my score. Day one. Every time I watch him, he's just losing. Alright, holy. Oh, I forgot to send. Sweat. Hi Knuckles, I got the Prince and the mini P.E.K.K.A. Let's see if he can beat me. Well, the thing didn't work, so you'll see when I play. Okay, let's put down Prince, then P.E.K.K.A, just so he knows what I have. I had the balloon. Oh, I might actually beat him. Oh, that'll be cool. Okay, I'll actually let him attack. Right, so they all get distracted, then I'll just do that. No! He used it on both of us. No. Might have drawn a bit of attention. Oh, I actually beat him! No, defeat him, get a hit. Oh, yes. I actually beat him. So, guys, just to make it clear, a person, okay, claim, I guess. Okay, a person that only has 118 beated a 1,329 trophies. I smashed him. I wonder why he always loses every time I watch his thing. Plus, he's only young, so I don't really blame him. But, so, some more openings for you guys. Level up. Where is it? There. Oh, I have enough. Yes. Hey guys, just so you know, look, there's my old thing. Zach, the boss, Zach, Toxic Wolf Power, me. Where's Michael? Oh, there he is. He's coming third again. If I was playing, I would have been probably up to Knuckles. So, like, I could beat Toxic Wolf. That's his favorite, guys. I want to see what my favorite is. Why is it the giant? I've been using the Prince. Anyway, I'll make it Prince. But anyway, guys, that'll be it for today. Hope you enjoyed this Clash Royale episode 2. I'll see you all guys next time. Peace out.